5 whys and root cause analysis. Ever feel like you're stuck in a problem loop? You fix a problem in your business, feel great about it, and then 2 weeks later, boom, it's back again. You throw more money at it, work longer hours, maybe even blame your team, but nothing seems to fix it. If this sounds like you, you're not the only one. Most people are fighting problem symptoms instead of solving the root causes. But there's a simple technique that can break that cycle. In the next 3 minutes, you're going to learn the 5 whys root cause analysis technique, a simple but effective tool that helps you dig deeper than surface level problems. We'll cover what the 5 whys method is, examples with real life scenarios, and we'll give you a step-by-step process that you can use immediately to solve problems permanently. So, what is the 5 whys? 5 whys is exactly what it sounds like. You ask why 5 times to get to the root cause of any problem. It was developed by Toyota's founder and is still used by companies worldwide today for solving problems. Think of problems like weeds. You can keep cutting the top, but unless you pull out the roots, they keep growing back. The 5 whys help you find those roots. Let's see this in action with a common business scenario. Here's the problem. Our customer service response times are too slow. Why number 1? Why are the response times too slow? Because our support team is overwhelmed with tasks. Why number 2? Why is the support team overwhelmed with tasks? Because we're getting too many basic questions that could be answered elsewhere. Why number 3? Why are customers asking basic questions instead of finding the answers themselves? Because our website FAQ section is hard to find and outdated. Why number 4? Why is our website FAQ section hard to find and outdated? Because we haven't updated our website structure in 2 years. Why number 5? Why haven't we updated it? Because we don't have a regular content review process. Now we've found the real problem. It's not that your team is slow, it's that you need better solutions to answer simple questions. One solution being a website FAQ update. You also need a regular review system in place. Fix that and you'll reduce the tasks they deal with and speed up the response times. Now, let's have a look at how you can use this yourself personally. Here's your 4 simple step process. Step 1. Define the problem clearly. Write down exactly what's wrong. Remember, be very specific. Step 2. Ask why and answer honestly. Don't guess. Base your answer on the facts that you know. Step 3. Keep going until you hit the root. You might need 3 whys, you may even need 7. 5 is normally average. Stop when you reach something you can actually control and fix. And step number 4, focus your solution on the final why. This is where you will get the biggest impact. Common mistakes to avoid when using the 5 whys and root cause analysis. Here's a quick warning about 2 mistakes people often make when using this process. First, don't blame people. Focus on the process and the systems. Instead of asking, why did John just mess up? Ask, why did the process allow this mistake to happen? Second, don't accept vague answers. Because of poor communication is not a specific enough answer. Dig deeper. What specifically about the communication failed? The 5 whys turns you from a person who fixes the same business problems over and over into a person who solves problems permanently. It's simple, it's free, and it works. Your challenge. Think of one recurring problem in your business or personal life right now. Grab a pen, write it down, and then ask why 5 times. You might be surprised at what you can fix from just asking those simple questions. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more great videos. We add new ones every week. We also have a website with over 500 free resources to download. and start using instantly. Why not visit that? Thank you so much for watching.